Alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Alhamdulillah. I just want to leave with a quick reminder for myself and for all of us, my brothers and sisters. What every oppressor wants is that the people who are advocating for the oppressed become numb to the issue. Forget about the issue. Continue to live their lives because it's been going on for so long that they give up. It is imperative that we do not become numb and complacent to the plight of our brothers and sisters in Palestine. Naturally, with anything in life, you keep repeating something with no change. Naturally, we tend to just kind of, lose energy, lose enthusiasm. But this is exactly what they want, and this is what they've been doing for decades. There's some energy is stirred up, activism, but there's no change, and then we start to give up. We have to recognize one thing. Even though you didn't see the major change, there have been progresses. There have been things happening. I remember our Imam was telling us, as you guys know, the staffers, several weeks ago, they started to protest. And these were the staffers who were answering all the calls of advocacy. And they started to become affected themselves. And they stood up. They said, you know what? No, we're not going to support these oppressors anymore. You know what I'm talking about, right? So our Imam was at a meeting downtown. And one of the representatives knew that he's from Adam Center. And he said to him, your community has been blowing up our phone lines. That your community, Adam Center, has been calling like crazy. So what does that mean? That means our advocacy caused people who are inside to stand up, to have a change of heart. And you see more and more as the world begins to come closer and closer to supporting Palestine. Not only are they supporting Palestine, people are starting to convert to Islam, Allahu Akbar. Are starting to convert to Islam. Why? Because we, alhamdulillah, as an ummah, most of us have been giving the Palestinians a voice, have been giving them a platform, have been showing their videos, as sad as they may be, we've been showing their videos on social media. People who are coming to Islam because of what they're seeing in Palestine wouldn't have this if it wasn't for us giving the voiceless a voice. These are little steps of progress, and bi-idhnillahi ta'ala, it will accumulate into a final victory. In kalla inna ma'iya rabbi sayahdeen. When they try to tell us to give up, repeat that. Inna ma'iya rabbi sayahdeen. The one who made the ocean split can bring victory to our brothers and sisters in Palestine. But we have to keep at it. I recommend just to keep your heart connected. Every salah, one of your sajda in every salah devoted to Palestine. This will keep you connected. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us to stay connected. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help our brothers and sisters in Palestine. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala relieve them of their difficulty. Help us to be tools for change. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us to be resilient in bouncing back from our mistakes and from our calamities, and to maintain our faith and hope in Him. Allahumma ya muqallib al-qulub thabbit qulubana ala dinik. ربنا لا تزغ قلوبنا بعد إذ هديتنا وهب لنا من لدنك رحمة إنك أنت الوهاب. اللهم يا أرحم الراحمين اللهم انصر إخواننا المستضعفين في فلسطين يا رب العالمين. اللهم كن لهم عونا ونصيرا ومؤيدا وظهيرا يا رب العالمين. اللهم تقبل شهداءهم، اللهم عاف مبتلاهم، اللهم داوي جرحاهم يا رب العالمين. اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على محمد. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. قيم الصلاة.